What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we're looking at the T4 touchscreen dual lens dash cam by Z-Edge. Now, we've looked at a dash cam in the past, and it was a pretty basic dash cam, and I think it was by Old Shark. This time, this is actually a dash and a rear cam in one. Now, this thing has a 4-inch FHD 1080p touchscreen. It records in 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. It's also simultaneous recording, so it'll record the front and the back at the same time. It's also got a 155-degree wide angle, so it'll actually get full 4 lanes of view, which is really good. Ooh, wait a minute. Holy cow, that's like a full-blown camera. Oh my God. Now also, somewhere in here, it says that it comes with a 32 gig SD card, so that's always good. All right, so the first thing we got here is a lighter plug-in with 2 USB ports. I'm guessing this is gonna be USB powered, so that's cool. So if you have a more modern car where you have USB ports available, you can just plug it in that way. If not, you've got this. And we've got a extra long USB to micro USB cable. I believe this is the, oh, nope, this one's gonna be for the rear. Now this is a mini USB to mini USB. And then we have another smaller USB to micro USB cable. There's our SD card. So it's a Kingston 32 gig micro SD HCI. So we have a suction cup for the front camera. Now this is gonna go on the windshield on the inside. And we have a thank you special offer. What is this? Oh, okay, so if you register it, you're eligible to enjoy an 18th month extended warranty for your purchased product. So that's good, use that. This is actually gonna come in really handy. So what this is a little pry tool that'll allow you to take the cable, the wire, and actually pry the panels up in your car, so where you can get the wire and hide it along the panels. So really good, very nice that they add this. This can come in handy in a lot of different situations. Then you got a little bag full of sticky mounts to hold the cable in place, so you have a little wire management going on. And then we've got the rear camera. Ooh, look at that. And then you got the 3M adhesive on it, so this is gonna go on the back windshield. You're just gonna stick it right on there. And then we have the instruction manual. All right, now the main camera. Man, again, this thing is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It's very lightweight. We've got the 155-degree lens f2 IR. This has night mode and day mode, so it's supposed to show footage at night really, really well. They're actually saying that it's gonna be perfect for capturing license plates. When we plug it in, I'm guessing that's gonna have some sort of light. Now on the top, you've got your camera in, so this is where you're gonna plug in the rear camera, and then you've got your USB power, and then you have the mount bracket. It's a very nice looking screen though. Now on the side, you've got your power button and your SD card slot. Oh, that's one thing I totally forgot. Now, a 32 gig card would probably get filled up kind of fast considering that it's 1080, but it has loop recording. Basically, what that loop recording will do is it'll actually fill up the card and then it'll start rewriting over that card. Also, it does have a G sensor built in, so like say if you have it in park mode, it will start recording as soon as it gets knocked around or if there's a heavy bump or something like that. So FYI, this cable right here is 26 feet in total. So that should definitely give you enough room to get it from the front windshield to the back. I like the curve that it has here, so when you do, ooh. Okay, so there's 4 different languages. You got English, German, Japanese, and Chinese. We've got menu button here. Now these are the 4 built-in modes. You've got Drive, which is for your standard driving, Scenic, which is gonna be your longer video clips for easier video post-processing. Then you have Park, which is pretty self-explanatory, but it increases the G sensor sensitivity and the battery efficiency for monitoring, which is always good. Then you have the WDR mode, which is for better light balancing. No matter which mode that you select, you can go in and customize each options depending on how you like it. If you have normal files or locked files, it'll actually categorize them. So if it's a locked file, it'll be under the emergency file so you can quickly get to those. So say you get into a wreck and then there's a police officer there, you can quickly pull this out and show them that. Photo capture. Of course, no file, I haven't done anything. Record, then you got its settings, so you can change the date, the different modes, timestamp. You can manually change the exposure, screen auto off. That's good, because if you have the screen auto off, it's not gonna be a distraction for you when you're driving. Oh, you can change the theme from light to dark, motion detection. So far, so good. Now, you can easily turn the audio on and off. You can see that it goes on and off. So you're driving down the street, you're recording, and then all of a sudden you go boop like that. It'll immediately say what is happening right now is what's gonna be saved. It's not gonna get deleted or overwritten. This little option right here is to change the view. You can look at dual, or say you only wanna look at the front, or you wanna look at the rear, you can do so. But there we go. So far, actually, I like this. I like the size, first of all. This is definitely bigger than the one that I looked at in the past. I'll leave a link down below for that. But for now, let's go get this thing installed and let's go give this a shot. Let's go. Okay, so real super easy installation. It probably took me maybe 20 minutes because I was trying to be careful, making sure that the wires were nice and tucked away and everything. But you could even do it even with less care in probably 10 minutes. You can see the 2 cables. This one goes to the back camera and this is going to the power. So I have them going up here and then it's actually running along the top. The power cable here, it runs along and then I've got it going down. All this stuff pops out. In most modern cars, all the side panels will just pop out. But it goes all the way down and then it comes up underneath here and then I have it all plugged in right here. And then with this cable, it goes all the way across, all the way to the back. There we go. And so you can see it's coming out through there. This is actually a few days after. I've actually, this is my girlfriend's car, so she has actually driven around in it and got some good footage for us, so let's take a look at that. Okay, so even on a gloomy day, it's pretty bright, it's very crisp. The image is very, very clear, front and back. I do like that it records the front and the back at the exact same time, so you don't have to worry about it, you're fully covered, and it's definitely clear enough so where you can make out license plates, which is definitely important. The microphone on this works really well, you can hear everything, you can even hear road noise. But as you can see, even at nighttime, it's very bright. You can see all street signs. You know, you do have trouble seeing license plates when they get too close to you, but overall, I'm actually pretty impressed with this dash cam. The image is really good. It's nice and clear. I definitely suggest checking it out for sure. But either way, guys, that is it. I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.